Hi everybody, it's Tina August with Royal LePage Top Producers here. Just doing an open house at Unit 206, 100 Creek Bend Road, River Park South in Winnipeg. It's kind of a slow day, the weather's not very nice out there, so I thought I'd just take us for a quick walkthrough of this adorable condo. It's listed currently at $204,900. 742 square feet, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. Condo fees are $224 a month. Very affordable for somebody that is a first-time home buyer. Maybe you want to downsize. Maybe you want to purchase an investment property. Additional space for bar stools. It is too cold to go outside, so I'm just gonna show you your balcony this way. So lots of space for a barbecue and a table set for the warmer months. Lots of visitor parking, and your parking spot is just over there. Can't see it, but it's A35 and it's pretty close to the front door. Take you to the bedroom now. Great size bedroom. You could easily fit a queen size bed. Even a king size bed would fit nicely in here. You have double closets. 1, 2. Access to your bathroom. I'm gonna take you this way though. Very beautiful condo. Very close to the perimeter if you're commuting to and from work. Close to St. Patel Shopping Center. Wonderful condo. If you can't make it today, but you'd like to view this property, give me a call anytime, 204-989-6900. Or shoot me a message. I'd love to take you for a tour of this wonderful property. Till then, everybody stay warm, stay safe, and have a happy Sunday.